Howdy and welcome to another video of me. I'm Nick and this is London Creative. A couple of weeks back you saw me attempt, note the word attempt, to turn this box of random junk and objects and things into a statue with the idea of it being a Nurgle, which is a Warhammer creature inspired by Conjured Crafts and, well, attempt. Yeah, 2 attempts. Both of which have ended up looking like that. A lump of Sculpey, which is how it looked in the first place. And I just gave up, put this down. Then I started again. I thought, 3rd attempt, I'm going to try again. I'm not going to cover it in Sculpey, I'm going to just make it sort of be more open, make it more obvious. And I've started, it's over there. As I started building it, I realised it looked kind of like something else. It wasn't necessarily a Nurgle, and as you gathered by the title of this video, now turning into my entry for the Slug Wizard competition. Last year's entry was Emmonsfield, the Slug Wizard. It's been launched again this year, and this year it's Squid Gnomes, and I'm going to work on it a bit more today in this video. Okay, so I think the biggest problem was that I was trying to make something and then cover it with a Sculpey. See, now that would make more sense as the head. Maybe that would be the body. What do you think? I think I'm going to cut that out. He's falling apart slowly. Well, not slowly, quickly. I think we need to make up some milliparts and fill up all the gaps. cardboard. We're gonna go. Okay, we are back. We now have pink. I watched Tabletop Time the other night, and Murray, their amazing painter, did a thing which they call the Murray technique, which is to do a two-tone painting technique, and that's what I'm doing. I'm going to do a pink zenithal for this to work. And I'm just going to paint a few bits and pieces. I've got some warm grey. I'm just going to paint his sword. Same with the wings. This phone has been repaired yesterday. It's only a few months old because the sound is abysmal. There's no correction for the fact that whenever you press record, the camera zooms in. So I don't know how much of that I've just filmed and how much you saw. I think it zoomed in and zoomed on the legs, but we're here. So I've now zoomed it out and he's looking like that. This is the problem I have. I get paint on things. My hand is not steady enough to paint really tiny details without smudging it everywhere. Now I'm gonna try and add some highlights. I don't like that this wing is this far in. That's better. Okay, a quick little spray job. Done, and I've sprayed the wings back. Oh, and that still looks a bit rough. Maybe he needs something on his back. Let's see what we can find. I literally put you on time lapse and thought, I'll try and find something. Pulled this out and went, it's the right colour, it's the right thing. If I cut that down to there, I could possibly get away with you actually finally using this. Camera's a bit too far. There. Mostly done. Just got to paint and touch up these bits and millet parts and we'll be done. Not bad.
I am Squirrel.
I think he'd have a squeaky voice.
I am Squirrel, master of the lucky shoe, killer of all who stand in my way and get into my cave. I have Dick the dog's face as my back.
What do we think? Squid Gnome. Tora said he looks like a Furby, so he's Squid Furby Gnome. Squid Gnome. Well, given that it was meant to be a Nurgle originally, and then it became my entry for the Squid Gnome competition and so forth, I'm quite pleased with it. I do like his little horseshoe, his clock hand sword. And of course, what will now always be known as Jake the dog's head as his backpack. Not bad, I'm quite happy with this. It took a while, it wasn't exactly what I started off planning to do, but we got here in the end. And yes, if you like this and you think it's fun, give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below. Tell me if you've entered this year's Squid Gnome competition, and if you have, leave me a link so I can go and see your version. If you like the randomness of content on this channel, the out and about around London and the making random things out of junk or painting pictures, then you should hit subscribe and come back each week for something new and different. That's what we do on London Creative. New, varied, diverse, different. So from me and Squid Gnome, bye bye.
Bye.
That is the guy upstairs throwing things down the rubbish chute. Things that should be... There's bins downstairs. All he has to do is go downstairs and put them out. But no, that makes more noise. Biplane. Hold on, there was an accident. A Hackney refuse removal van just skidded out of the estate at 80 miles an hour and crashed into a barrier. That's what that noise was. There's an absolute fucking idiot in a rubbish removal van flying around, skidding it around and smashing it into things. And there's kids outside playing. People around here are just stupid. There's like not one sensible person. Have I mentioned I don't like living here? I am here. All my voices end up sounding very much alike. I am here. Yes. Oh. I am Squid Gnome. Squibberom. Pat Squid. Pat Furby. Pat Gnome. Squibberom.